Imagine completing in 1 hour what used to take 10. That's not science fiction. That's Stanford's reality. Stanford researchers recently released a practical guide to dramatically boost your productivity using AI. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use these tactics to 10x your work, your learning, and your thinking, with real-world tools and step-by-step strategies. In a recent Stanford study, AI tools like GPT-4 helped consultants finish tasks 40% faster, with 20% better quality. Stanford didn't stop there. They built a practical guide for everyday people to apply AI in real life. This isn't just for researchers, it's for you. Let's break it down. Here's Stanford's 5-step framework to supercharge your output using AI. No PhD required. Instead of asking AI to write a blog, ask it to persuade a first-time buyer to try our product. Stanford found that AI gives far better results when the intent is clear. Stanford advises treating AI like a collaborator. Ask questions, challenge responses, refine ideas. Don't just take the first result. Overwhelmed? Break it down. Stanford researchers recommend using AI to handle micro-tasks, like summarizing research, generating headlines, or drafting outlines. One prompt is never enough. The best results come from prompt iteration. Try 3 to 5 variations. Stanford's productivity tests showed 60% higher efficiency from prompt refinement. Finally, reflect. What worked? What didn't? Stanford encourages building feedback loops. Automate repeat tasks using tools like Zapier plus ChatGPT, API plus Notion AI. Let me show you how a freelance designer used this exact guide. For goal 20 now, build a brand proposal. Use ChatGPT to draft structure, broke it into slides with beautiful prompts, automated research using AI browser agents, completed in 1 hour what used to take 6. Stanford researchers shared 3 bonus insights most people miss. Don't over-engineer prompts. Clarity beats complexity. Use role prompting. Tell AI who it is. Document your best prompts and reuse them. So, here's your challenge. Apply just one of these Stanford-backed tips today. You'll see results instantly. Want more AI deep dives like this? Subscribe to Byte Wired. We break down the future so you can master it today.